Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 6th annual Men of the World candidates wearing their swimwear designed by Ryan Manansala. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, everybody, for our candidates. All right. Every year, we give out special awards to individuals who made exceptional performances in different segments. Let's begin with the Best in Arrival outfit. Last July 17, our contestants arrived in the Philippines wearing their blue arrival outfit of personal choice. And the candidate with the best arrival outfit is...